I'm Kaylin.
And we're making green bean salad.
First, we washed our hands with soap and water.
So first, we will take our two cans of green beans and
A small onion.
And the last ingredients are tomato
And 1/3 cups of fat-free Italian dressing mixed together.
Now we stir.
These are our vegetables. You need 1/2 of vegetables every day.
Since this dish is to have fun with this dish and make it unique.
And this is green bean salad.
You can plate this dish with whatever you'd like.
And you can add like ranch or something, whatever you would like to put on it.
and chicken would be good.
You can also refrigerate this dish until it's ready to serve.
Enjoy!